Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix Disney Plus not working. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your settings and go over to your app section. Locate the Disney Plus app inside it and open it up. Clear its cache memory along with all its data. Then just go back to the home page of your settings and just toggle airplane mode on and off. Now go over to SIM section. Now select your primary SIM and go over to access point names. Now just reset the settings to default so that your SIM is reset and start working properly. And after that, hopefully this will fix the app not launching issue. So this is basically how you can fix Disney Plus not working. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.